So for my video project, I decided to research the history behind Wisconsin's physical geography. And so this history emerged around 13,000 years ago after the last ice age, when one of the last large glaciers retreated through the area. And what happens during glacial retreat is that large amounts of sediment get picked up and moved through the glacier and deposited, forming topography and plains and other features, as you can see in the topographic map of Wisconsin on the right. And so in this case, it created a large region or expanse of land that is bordered by the Mississippi River on the west, Lake Michigan on the east, and Lake Superior in the north, as seen in the image below, or the map of Wisconsin. And so some of the distinctive features of Wisconsin's landscape is that it is actually divided into 5 main geographic regions. These being the Lake Superior lowland, and a lowland is just an area that is at or below sea level, the Northern Highland, the Central Plain, which is what it sounds like, it's just a plain in the middle that's relatively flat, and the Eastern Ridges and Lowlands, and then the Western Upland. And there's also an area in the Southwest known as a driftless area. And a driftless area occurs where there's a lack of glacial drift, so it's kind of not impacted by a glacier's retreat. And so some interesting features that rose from this topography are Devil's Lake, which is included in the driftless areas as an area between 2 glacial sections, and it contains some of the oldest rock that is exposed in Wisconsin. And another really cool feature are drumlins, and Wisconsin is actually one of the best places to see drumlins. And drumlins are these streamlined hills created by moving glaciers. And if you look at the shape of a drumlin, you can actually tell which direction the glacier was moving, as the less steep side is where the glacier moved down and slowly deposited material. So you can tell which direction they were moving from those, which is pretty cool. And then these are my sources.